Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are a nursing mom, hit that subscribe button today. Are you struggling to get enough milk with a manual pump? Does it feel exhausting, slow, and overwhelming? Well, you are definitely not alone. Many mothers face this exact same challenge every day. But guess what? A few simple tweaks can change everything for you. Today, we are sharing gentle, proven, and safe pumping tips. First, absolute comfort is your secret weapon. Stress can actually block your natural milk flow. So sit in a cozy chair, relax your shoulders, and breathe. Warmth helps your milk let down much faster. Try placing a warm, damp cloth on your breast first. Gentle massage also works absolute wonders. Softly massage from the top, moving toward your nipple. Now, let us talk about the flange size. Is your pump shield fitting you correctly? If it hurts or rubs tightly, it is wrong. A proper fit ensures comfort and maximum yield. Mimic your baby's natural nursing pattern. Start with short, quick, gentle squeezes on the handle. This triggers your body's natural letdown reflex. Once milk flows, switch to slow, deep squeezes. Hold the squeeze for a few brief seconds, then gently release it and repeat rhythmically. Looking at your baby can boost your milk output. If baby is away, look at a cute photo instead. Even smelling their tiny baby blanket helps tremendously. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of fresh water. Remember, your worth is never measured in ounces. Be patient and extra kind to yourself today. You are doing an incredible job for your little one. Thank you so much for watching our video today. Take good care, stay calm, and see you next time.